everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today bigger, faster, and smarter than ever. Say hello to the 2025 BMW M5, the ultimate high-performance sedan that blends power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. Let's break down what makes this beast truly special. Right away, the 2025 M5 makes a bold statement. The signature kidney grille is sleeker, flanked by laser-sharp adaptive LED headlights. Wider air intakes, sculpted lines, and a muscular stance ensure it looks just as aggressive as it drives. Inside, BMW has gone all out. The M5 features a fully digital 14.9-inch curved display, seamlessly integrated with BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 infotainment system. The driver-focused cockpit boasts carbon fiber trims, ambient lighting, and M-specific sport seats wrapped in premium leather. It's a perfect blend of performance and luxury. But the real magic happens under the hood. The 2025 M5 now packs a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8, paired with a 48V mild hybrid system, delivering an earth-shaking 715 horsepower and 750 lb-ft of torque. That means a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.2 seconds. Power is sent through an 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission, with the ability to switch between all-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive for that signature BMW driving thrill. The M5 offers multiple drive modes, from comfort for daily cruising to track mode, where it unlocks its full potential. Plus, the M-tuned exhaust system ensures it sounds as aggressive as it looks. It's not just about speed. The M5 is packed with cutting-edge tech, an augmented reality heads-up display, hands-free driving assist, and seamless smartphone integration. It's a performance machine that keeps you connected and safe. Whether you crave unmatched performance, luxury, or technology, the 2025 BMW M5 delivers it all. Is this the best super sedan of the year? Let us know in the comments.